Although NIO's stock has struggled, there's still reason to hold on and remain optimistic. First, impressive delivery numbers saw NIO deliver 23,231 vehicles in May, marking a 13.1% increase from the same month last year. This includes 13,270 NIO brand vehicles delivered, contributing to a total of 710,655 vehicles since inception, 6,281 Envo brand vehicles delivered, with a total of 46,223 vehicles delivered so far, and 3,680 Firefly brand vehicles delivered, with a total of 3,911 vehicles delivered since inception. On top of that, NIO continues to expand its presence globally. For example, they opened one new NIO house in May, bringing the total to 184 worldwide. 50 new power swap stations were deployed, totaling 3,404 globally, along with the addition of 47 new charging stations, for a total of 4,607 charging stations and 26,441 chargers worldwide. Expectations center on a year-over-year rise in deliveries for both June and the second quarter. The company has introduced upgraded versions of 4 key models, the EC6, ES6, ET5, and ET5T, which are expected to drive growth and increase demand. Deliveries of these models have already started, and they are expected to see their first full month of deliveries in June. The company's delivery numbers for June are expected to range between 25 and 28,000 units, up from 21,209 units in the same month last year. For the second quarter, NIO expects to deliver between 72,000 and 75,000 vehicles, indicating a significant year-over-year growth of 25.5% to 30.7%. When it comes to battery swap technology, the company offers battery swaps at thousands of locations across China, and its newest vehicles can complete a swap in roughly 2.5 minutes. This technology has garnered attention from other industry players, including CATL, a leading battery maker. CATL is working with a group of Chinese automakers to develop a standardized system for battery swaps, which could vastly increase the number of swapping vehicles on the road. There are even rumors that CATL might purchase a controlling stake in NIO Power's battery swapping unit, potentially increasing the scale of battery swapping technology. This development is great news for NIO's battery swap ambitions, as it could help the company build a thriving ecosystem of vehicles that use its setup. By partnering with CATL, NIO can leverage the battery maker's expertise and resources to expand its network of swapping stations. This collaboration could also pave the way for NIO's more affordable and higher-volume brand, Firefly, to bring in a new fleet of vehicles that match the new standard. While there are potential drawbacks to consider, such as competition with fast-charging stations and the risk of slower innovation, the partnership between NIO and CATL is a significant development that could drive growth and success for the company. With its innovative technology and expanding network of swapping stations, NIO is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for electric vehicles. The potential purchase of NIO Power's battery swapping unit by CATL could also provide a much-needed influx of capital for the company, helping it to further develop its technology and expand its operations. Overall, the collaboration between NIO and CATL is viewed as a net positive development that could have a significant impact on the electric vehicle industry. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.